Hello, my dear friend. This is Jerry from Longze Machinery. Now I introduce to you our fly die pallet machine. It's for making wood pallet. Now I will introduce to you the details of this two machine for demo. Now you can see that this machine is SKG 200 with the electric motor 7.5 kilowatts. And this one, the model number SKG 250 with 15 kilowatts electric motor. This pallet machine is multifunctional pallet machine. It can make biomass pallet, like wood pallet, like straw pallet, grass pallet, and it also can make animal feed pallet. For example, like chicken feed, dog feed, rabbit feed, cow feed, and it also can make fertilizer pallet. The fertilizer usually is the animal manure. Now I show you the machine working. This is the input hopper. The input hopper, you feed the raw materials, the powder size materials to the hopper, and then inside we have a fly die and the roller. And now you can see the roller and fly die. We put it from here. It's very easy for you to understand. This is a fly die. The diameter 8 millimeters, and this is the rollers, roller ensemble, roller cover, bearing. The spare parts for the pallet machine is also these two parts, fly die and the roller cover. Here is the bearing. You need add lubricating grease every 4 hours to make sure the bearing work properly. And here you can see this is the output hopper, the pallet coming from here. This machine with a very strong power gear reducer. This gear reducer is industrial gear reducer with much stronger power, and it can make the hard raw material like wood sawdust, like grass, like straw. This machine maintenance work, it's also very easy. You just need to take out this hopper and take out these buttons, and then you can move this one very easily. Very easy maintenance work, and you need to change. You can change the fly die and the rollers. And here we can see that this is the tools we fit together with the pallet machine. With these tools, it's for adjust the screw here to screw to adjust the pressure of the fly die. And also we have with this electric motor, we have the electric control panel. From here you can see the electric control panel. This is the power indicator, the start button, the stop button, and here you can see the voltage meter and the amperemeter. You can see the inside of this electric panel. And with this machine, with the pallet machine, we also send some necessary components to our customer. For example, like the water measurement. The water measure. If you make pallet, the raw material moisture should less than 15%. But sometimes some new customer, they do not know how to measure the moisture of the raw material. So we send this the moisture meter to customer, test the raw material, moisture. So you can before you make the pallet, you can understand The raw material is very easy. SKG 250 model with also a very convenient maintenance part. Just one person, you can take this part very easily. This is the new generation pellet machine, suitable for many different raw materials. It can make different diameter pellet. Usually we make wood pellet 6 millimeters or 8 millimeters. If you make a chicken feed pellet, usually is 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters, or 5 millimeters. Organic fertilizer pellet size usually is also 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, and 5 millimeter. So this machine, multifunctional one, it is suitable for your requirement. And we also have a bigger, this is the smallest size, 7.5, can make a wood pellet. And we also have a bigger size pellet machine, like 30 kilowatts, 37 kilowatts, 45 kilowatts electric motor, and 55 kilowatts electric motor. So it will be easy for you to make pellet with these components. We usually for export work, we will make a wooden box package. Now we send to Qingdao port. Then you will receive the pellet machine. Okay, now I'll finish the introduction of our pellet machine. I hope you like it, and if you have any inquiries, please contact Jerry at any time. We are 24 hours service. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.